Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to warmly welcome each of you who've embarked on this transformative journey with us at the Applying Python with AWS for Data Analytics Bootcamp. Your enthusiasm for delving into data analytics, especially within the critical and high demand sector, is commendable. Together, we stand on the precipice of an exciting adventure into data and cloud. Next, I will introduce you to the team and what to expect over the course of the next 4 weeks of this bootcamp. Meet Callum. Callum has over 25 years of experience in the IT field, including leadership roles at Microsoft, Deloitte, and Oracle. He specializes in managing large, complex projects in government and healthcare involving data, AI, and cloud platforms. Make sure that you make the most out of this bootcamp and in particular of Callum. Pick his brains on careers in the IT sector, in particular emerging technologies and industry insights. Meet Sergey. Sergey's expertise is in data, cyber, and cloud computing, primarily through his impactful work with New South Wales Health, the federal government, and the Victorian government. I am Dolly. I have over 12 years of experience helping some of the leading tech giants such as Snowflake, ServiceNow, and Adobe succeed in Australia and New Zealand. I am your mentor at the bootcamp. Now, let me walk you through what to expect in the next 4 weeks. Week 1, we will start with Postgres on AWS, the most popular relational database on the cloud. We will also introduce you to SQL and tools such as pgadmin and Visual Studio Code. Then we will move on to Python fundamentals. Here, you will learn how to use Python to establish connections and query the database. Week 2, you will learn how to analyze and create charts with real-world data using Python libraries such as Matplotlib. Week 3, we will start by building data pipelines with Python, leveraging AWS Lambda and API gateway, and harnessing Python's power in data manipulation and data processing. Week 4, we will use Python for data mapping and data transformation. By the end of this bootcamp, you will have developed the technical skills necessary for data analytics and an understanding of how these skills apply to real-world scenarios. We will give you hands-on training on Python, AWS, and Postgres, which are the highest in-demand tools in Australia, followed by Visual Studio Code, pgadmin, and Vercel. I aim for you to emerge as a proficient data analyst capable of navigating the complexities of industry data with confidence and creativity.